Marine fishermen along India's 7,517 kilometer coastline spend several days on the open seas as far away as 120 kilometers from the shore. They are completely isolated from their families and other service agencies on land during these days. They don't have a way to communicate during emergencies such as accidents, illnesses, vessel breakdown, etc. Also, there is no way to alert them about impending storms, potential collision with another vessel, potential fishing zones, etc. They cannot afford to use satellite phones because they're very expensive. So what they're looking for is a very low-cost solution that will enable them to communicate to the land. So the researchers at Amrita Center for Wireless Networks and Applications have developed and deployed a very low-cost communication infrastructure called Oceannet. It can provide connectivity up to 60 to 70 kilometers from the shore using a Wi-Fi network on the boat. Fishermen can connect to this network using the smartphones that they own already. This solution has been field tested 7 times so far using up to 4 trawlers, and it has also been permanently deployed on 9 trawlers already.